transport department, you know that any one of us, all of us must have gone to transport office for driving licenses or for getting our vehicle registered. So most of us are either working or we are busy. So we try to depend on somebody, the middleman. So that middleman, how the middleman can be eliminated? That's with the e-interventions. The public interface should be minimized to avoid to minimize the corruption in the government sector. That we have taken some initiatives. That's UP government. Let me introduce. I am Ravindra Naik, Transport Commissioner UP. See our commitment. These are all easy, affordable, economical, effective, efficient services to the citizens. Ultimate citizens should be. Our UP is the first state. Generally, UP, by saying from outside the UP, they think UP, the question mark, UP, Bihar, some states, they are, but the unique things which are being done in the states, first, with regard to transport department, we have a 24 toll-free, 24/7 toll-free transport helpline services, and we have abolished check post, transport check post, interstate check post used to be there. Now also in most of the states it is there, but we have abolished near about 8 years back. So that is one thing. And online tax payment for the we have introduced for the first time, and now near about 40%, 41% of our this vehicle, this tax is being deposited through online. First is to provide the driving license, learning license fee online mode, and the slot booking is also online. See, earlier in most of the states, one day they go to the offices, they book the slot for the test, learning license, permanent license, and if they are asked to go next day, again they will be approaching the middleman and the corruption. Now we have made everything, the slot booking online. They need to come for test only, 15 minutes, 20 minutes test. And for learning learning license and permanent license, we are for 100% learning license. We have made this human intervention that the RTO he cannot use his discretion. Now computer, some questionnaire is there, then the computer will say pass or fail. So that is for learning license. For permanent license also initiatives that automatic driving testing tracks are also under constructions, and we will be in next coming 2-3 years we will be going for 100% our driving testing tracks. So that is the way corruption can be minimized. First is to mobile application e-challan based. We have introduced, and 2 districts we have already implemented on trial basis, but we will be replicating roll over to the other entire part of the UP. These are all smart card driving lessons. Most of you must be carrying here also. Jharkhand they have implemented, and online payment of learner license I have told. Computerized learning license tests. The test now it's 100%. The entire UP is a very big state. These are all the driving testing tracks. We are making it automatic driving testing tracks. One enters and comes out, then the computer will tell you whether he has passed or failed. So by showing the directions. And online registration of new vehicles. Now one need not to go to RTO office for getting his vehicle registered and taking a new number and tax payment for the new vehicle. Simply the dealer where he is buying, he will only provide everything, the number and the payment of fees, all facilities himself, 100%. So then the question of going to the RTO, so minimizing public interface, that is a big achievement. We have made 100%, and successfully we have so far 1.75 lakhs vehicles. Every month we register. Now so far 24 lakhs people, they have not gone to the RTO office for registration. Simply the dealer where we buy, simply take number and everything is, all papers are delivered to him by the dealer itself. Online booking of VIP numbers. See, somebody wants 001 number, somebody wants 99 number. So these numbers are just online. The first come first served basis was the earlier practice, but now we are going for e-auctioning system. And number portability. If somebody is having number 1 of that some vehicles, he want to retain that number. The number portability system also we are implementing on the online. So online tax payment, as I told, this 41% we have collected near about it's 2,150 crores this year, and last year near about 1,200 crores. this much of amount we have deposited, and we have saved this near about 10 lakhs person. They used to come to the RTO office earlier 2 years back. Now just 6 lakhs person they come to the offices. So 4 lakhs persons, minimizing public interface. So 4 lakhs persons per day, per month, near about 48 lakhs persons in a year. If you calculate in terms of money, the nation's economy, one day's their earning and their to and fro cost to the urban infrastructure and their fuel, vehicle, everything if you add it, and beyond that the middleman, if we so-called what we pursue that, almost all still the RTO office means somebody is thinking unless the tip is given to the middleman, we have still that perception. The perception only can be minimized by having these e-initiatives that we have. This nation economy near about 384 crores if we calculate 800 rupees per day. So if we calculate including the travel expenses and the clerical hours they saved by the transport officials, these clericals, 5 minutes if we attend one person 5 minutes also, that also comes to 50,000 clerical mandates saved by the department. That also if you calculate in terms of money. So that's see the e-interventions are always beneficial, and the coming days that we are aiming for much more. Now 41% we'll be going for 65% in one year, next 1 year. We monitor RTO offices this through CCTV entire. We have made CCTV erected in all offices, and where the queue public are just standing in queue, we see the public. If anything is wrong thing is going on, we are centralized place with IP address. We can download with internet anywhere. So all 75 offices are being monitored at one place. Helpline services 24/7 toll-free number is there. We have that website through mail, WhatsApp, and this telephone calls, and we convert. We no need to write a complaint letter and come to the offices. Yeah, 50,000 calls are just every month we get, and out of that 500 complaints we register. Some things orally if we say they are convinced. So these things are these are all initiatives or pilot projects are there. See, mobile e-Challan, Vahan 4, Sarthi 4, digitization of all this driving license registration. Now you cannot find after 1-2 years you cannot find a single DL and registration fake one. And road safety also we have a separate website, road safety policy, and so many initiatives by the UP government. So thank you everybody. Thank you for patient hearing.